Bonjour mes amis, bienvenue. Hey guys, welcome back to the Language Tutor French series. So this lesson is going to kick off 4 lessons in a row that are going to be designed strictly to build your vocabulary. Yes, pretty easy, but just bringing in new words into your language skills, into your vocabulary skills, your knowledge. And so today I want to focus on parts of the house, things that you would see in the house, the different rooms, various things like that. All right, so with that being said, let's get ready to write, get ready to practice. Let's go to our screen. First of all, let's talk about the living room. In French, the living room would be le salon, le salon. The bathroom is la salle de bain, la salle de bain. The bedroom is la chambre, la chambre. The kitchen, this will make sense to you, is la cuisine, la cuisine. The dining room is la salle à manger, la salle à manger. Upstairs is en haut, and downstairs is en bas, en bas. All right, now the basement is going to be le sous-sol, le sous-sol. Okay, now we have some general basics of places in the house. Now I want to go into some specific things that you would find in particular rooms. Now let's start with the kitchen. So first up is the table, which is la table, la table. The stove is le poêle, le poêle. The oven is le four, le four. The refrigerator is le réfrigérateur, le réfrigérateur. The sink is l'évier, l'évier. The freezer is le congélateur, le congélateur. The plate is l'assiette, l'assiette. The cup is la tasse, la tasse. The fork is la fourchette, la fourchette. The spoon is la cuillère, la cuillère. The knife is le couteau, le couteau. And the napkin is la serviette, la serviette. Okay, I think that's enough for the kitchen. We have a lot of different things we could probably throw in there, but that gets us started with the kitchen. Okay, so now let's move to the bathroom. All right, so first up, the towel is actually the same as napkin. It's la serviette, la serviette. The soap is le savon, le savon. The toothbrush is la brosse à dents, la brosse à dents. Toothpaste is le dentifrice, le dentifrice. And to take a shower is prendre une douche, prendre une douche. All right, let's move into the bedroom, which the bed would be le lit, le lit. The chest of drawers, where we store things, is la commode, la commode. The closet is le placard, le placard. The light is la lumière, la lumière. The sheets are les draps, les draps. The blanket is la couverture, la couverture. And I'm going to give you one more in this lesson. The pillow is l'oreiller, l'oreiller. It's interesting because the ear is oreille, right? So it's where your ear lays. L'oreiller. All right, guys. Well, hey, I hope this has helped you. Nice little vocabulary builder here. And hey, join us on the Language Tutor podcast, the French podcast, and also on the Language Tutor Facebook page. If you want to donate to the channel, help us out, we would sure appreciate it. Thank you to everybody that's been donating. It's been amazing. Just click About right down below this video. And hey, go to the Language Tutor on the net. That's our website. You can get downloadable written practices free that will allow you to practice your writing skills, okay? Hey, I wish for you and all your family and friends paix et bénédiction, peace and blessings, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Au revoir. Friends, thanks for watching The Language Tutor. If you have a question for me, feel free to leave it in the comment section below the video. And please click subscribe and the notification bell so that you'll never miss any of our language lessons.